Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to program an Orange IoT door lock from start to finish. So whether you are setting it up for the very first time, adding the user codes or enabling extra features, this guide is going to help you get everything configured correctly in 2026. Now, first of all, before you can program anything, you will need to change the factory master code. So Orange IoT locks come with a default master code, which is typically 1234567 8, and the lock requires you to replace it with your own code before accessing the programming features. So here your new master code should be at least 4 to 10 digits long, and you need to keep this code somewhere safe because you will need it whenever you want to change settings later. Now it's time to create for the user code for the daily usage. So using the keypad, you need to simply enter the programming sequence, and after that you need to add the new code between 4 to 10 digits. Now Orange IoT locks support multiple user codes, making it very easy to give access to family members, guests, or serving service providers without sharing your master code. So after saving the code, you just have to simply test it immediately in order to make sure that it unlocks the door correctly. Afterwards, you just have to start customizing the features that you want. So depending on your model, you need to enable the options such as the auto lock feature. You can adjust the lock delay, or you can even activate the vacation mode for adding security. So these settings can be managed through the programming menu using the master code. So you can choose the settings that best matches how you use the lock every single day. So once everything is programmed, you just have to simply test all the functions with the door open. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.